Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from I Can Change Project. Magandang umaga sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And this is the first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. Okay, so announcement tayo sa November 18, 2018. Nasa Hong Kong po tayo sa Bayanihan Kennedy Town Center. You can send me your registration fee. So message niyo po ako sa aking FB page and FB account, Gigi Sunga and Dr. Gigi Sunga. Doon sa mga nagpa-early, nagbigay na intention to attend, more than 100 po yan. So thank you very much. So deadline po ng pagpapadala ng registration fee is on September 15. Okay, and if you want my t-shirt, I Can Change shirt. Available po yan sa shopee.ph Gigi Sunga. Pakilabas mo din. Okay, and pwede rin po kayo mag-message dun sa mga hindi makita to, yung account natin. So, pwede po kayong mag-message sa akin. This is my number, 0939-5254-311. So, ito po yung ating I Can Change shirt. Yellow and red. Plus, meron po tayong sling bag and hoodie na I Can Change. So, bakit po ba meron tayo I Can Change product? So, para nun po, pagsuot natin yan, para it's something na it's telling you that you can change, that people can change. Okay? And kasama din po yan ang ating book, How to Embrace Transformation. So, para pwede po kayo mag-avail. Alright. Sige po. So, yan yung mga announcement natin. And if you need career coach, so just message me. Pwede tayong magkaroon ng one-on-one session. Ano po. And if you need a speaker per seminar for students, teachers, parents, and companies team building, just call me 0939-5254-311. Yan po yan. Okay, so marami tayong vlog for 40s, age 40 and above. Age 20, 2 days ago nag-vlog tayo. So ngayon naman, ang ating pagtutunan ng pansin, mga age 30. 30 above. Okay? So, this is the best career strategy for age 30 above. Okay? So, gusto natin ma-accommodate lahat ng ating mga delivers. Para po sa kaalaman ng lahat ng mga nanonood na ating video, meron mula 13 years old hanggang 75 years old. So, ayan po ang ating composition ng ating mga delivers o ng mga viewers natin. Kaya marami tayong topic per level, per age. So, if you are age 30 and above, so, ito yung tingin ko best career strategy mo. So, you can choose any of these. Okay? Why 30? Why at 30 dapat meron ka ng best career strategy or career move? Okay? It's not in your 20s. Because I understand being, at age 20, ang dami mong gusto, di ba? Ang dami mong demand sa company, di ba? Ang dami mong comparison, ang dami mong hinahanap, ang dami mong masyado tayo idealistic at age 20 when we, if you are just starting working, mararamdaman mo yan na bakit sabi sa school ganito dapat, di ba? I remember my students in College of Education, mga nagpa-practice teaching. Nagtuturo kami ng, of course, mga principles of education, principles of teaching. So, pag nag-practice teaching sila, babalik sila sa akin, then they will tell me, sabihin nila, Dok, sabi mo ganito, ba't ganun sa actual, di ba? So, ganun talaga, pag marami tayo, pag nag-start kang mag-work, doon mo marirealize, sometimes may conflict, sometimes may, ito yung theory na tinuro sa atin, pero bakit pagdating dito naman sa company, parang something is wrong. So, yun yung age 20 and then you will insist dun sa natutunan mo, di ba? You will insist dun sa culture na gusto mo, dun sa environment na gusto mo, di ba? And minsan ang dami nating demand. So, ang dami nating gustong mangyari. Dapat may ganito, dapat may coffee, dapat may TV sa office. So, yun na yung nangyayari at age 20. Okay? So, ito rin yung mga we are receiving memo, reprimands, kasi dahil nating late. Priority kasi natin yung barkada pa, priority pa natin yung mga gimmick, priority pa natin yung ibang mga bagay kaysa sa work natin. So, yun yung age 20. Alright? So, at age 30 and above, dapat wala na yan. So, dapat wala na yung mga ganyan experiences. Remember, meron kang 10 years para ma-outgrow yan. Meron kang 10 years to finish those kind of stuff. Okay? So, at 30, dapat simulan mo na tong journey na to. Simulan mo na to. So, if you are 30 and yet you are still complaining about your company, something is wrong. If you are 30 and yet you're still complaining about the conflict between the theory and the application, something is wrong. Okay? You are wrong. It's not something. You are deadly wrong. Okay? You are, you know, you cannot be productive. You cannot be promoted. You cannot be maximizing your time if you are still in that level at age 30. So at age 30, wala na yan. Alright? So ano yung mga dapat career move mo or best career strategy at age 30? So you can choose any of these four, or you can choose two, three, or it's up to you. It depends sa, sa present situation mo sa work, present situation mo sa buhay, okay? So these are my suggestion on how to have the best career strategy, because it happened to me at age, I think, 20, after 7 years, mga 28, 29, I decided to have a career shift, alright? So, nag-shift tayo from academe to, to DNR, to DOH, and everything. So, mamaya, i-discuss pa natin yan. So, may mga nangyayari talaga at age 30, okay? Or near age 30. So, these are four na pwede natin pagpilinan. Number one, start, asa yung blue kung ano dyan? Alright. So, start learning high-paying skills at age 30, okay? Start learning high-paying skills. Naalala ko si Dan Lack, I think na-vlog ko na to, one of my videos. There are, yung triangle of wealth niya, pwede kang mamili kung paano ka yayaman. So, it's either you build a business, or you invest, or you learn high-paying skills. Okay? So, at age 30, if you are employed, if you are working, choose to learn high-paying skills. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga high-paying skills? Dapat at 30, meron ka na mga, nag-start ka na mag-develop niyan. Okay? Iniwan mo na yung mga, puro ka lang inuutusan, puro ka lang filing, puro ka lang, dapat meron kang skill, hindi puro you are dependent to different people. So, dapat meron kang high-paying skills. Ano ba yung mga high-paying skills? At age 30, dapat, kung if you are into computer or into IT, so dapat nagdi-design ka na ng website designer, gumagawa ka ng mga apps. So these are high-paying skills, okay? Or kaya naman if you are in teaching, so dapat nag-speak ka na. Speaker is a high-paying skill. Just like what I'm doing, I'm a part-time speaker and I can demand my price. So lalo pag different companies and private. So, this is one high-paying skill na pwede mo develop. You can be a writer, you can be an author, a content writer, copywriter, di ba? So, eto yung mga high-paying skills na dapat ready kang matutunan, di ba? So, try to look around, ano ba yung mga high-paying skills na pwede natin na ginagawa ng iba na pwede mo nang gawin, di ba? So, look around you. Sino yung mga tao na kumikita ng malaki? Wala silang negosyo, wala silang investment, but yet they are earning much because of this high-paying skill. Okay? Second, kung wala kang makitang high-paying skill, okay, or if you find one, you can add this, shift to sales. Alright? So, nabanggit ko po in my previous vlogs na it's high time to learn or to go into sales. Lalo kung, 5 years ka na, 10 years ka na sa work, walang nangyayari. So, if you want to stay in the same company, pwede kang magpalipat sa sales. Okay? Or, pwede kang maghanap ng company na sales ang business. Okay? Why sales? Because in sales, sabi nga nung kausap ko when I got my new car sa Toyota, sabi niya, sa sales, kasi sa sales sila, so walang limit ang earning mo. Okay? Mas mausay kang magsalita, mag-close ng deal, you can earn as much as you want. Okay? So, that's why you have to mag-career shift ka na. So, iwanan mo na yung career na masyadong safe. Angel, ito narinig mo, huwag kang magpunta sa mga career na masyadong safe. Ano mo yung safe na career? Yung mga safe yung ginagawa, yung mga, hindi naman pabebe, pero yung yung routine lang, ito lang ginagawa ko, ito lang yung kausap ko, ito lang nasa four corners of the room lang ako. It can't be, okay? Hindi siya best career strategy. You will be in the losing end in the end, alright? So, try to shift to sales because this will give you unlimited income, alright? And third naman, so third na pwede mong option, best career strategy, get that promotion. Okay? So, nabanggit ko nga na pag age, ganito na yung mga age mo, dapat nasa supervisory level ka na at age 30. Alright? At age 30, dapat at least department head ka na, supervisor ka na, you are managing people or unit head ka na, di ba? So, you get that promotion. Alright? So, if you want to stay in that career, in that company, okay, huwag tayong manatili dun sa this level. So, dapat umaangat tayo. 30 ka na eh, di ba? So, try to evaluate at age 30, nasan ka na ba? Ikaw pa rin ba yung nililid? Dapat ikaw na naglilid. Di ba? Ikaw pa rin ba yung nagsasubmit? Dapat hindi na ikaw nagsasubmit. Sa'yo na sinasubmit ang report. Di ba? So, ikaw pa rin ba yung nagtatype? Dapat hindi na ikaw nagtatype. Ikaw na yung nagpapatype. Okay? So, you should get that promotion at age 30. Alright? At age 30, remember, iba na dapat ang ginagawa ng, iba na yung career mo. Meron ka ng hawak na tao. Hindi na ikaw yung laging inahawakan, laging nire-remind. So, you have to, at this point in time, at 30, ikaw na nagre-remind sa tao. Meron ka ng unit, meron ka ng sariling tao. Alright? So, you have to get that promotion. Ano yung, alamin mo, paano ba ako magiging department head? Paano ako magiging unit head? Paano ako magiging manager, supervisor? So, you talk to the HR, kausapin mo, ano po ba yung requirements? Or nakikita mo naman, di ba? You are in that company, so alam mo, paano yung movement ng tao. If there's a need to finish certain course, you finish that, di ba? Go and enroll. Kung MA yan, PhD yan, finish it, di ba? Kasi gusto mo naman dyan sa company na yan eh. Okay? So, if there's a need na dapat matutunan mo tong skill na to, then learn it. You have to pay the price. Sabi nga ni Grant Cardone, pay the price now so that you can pay the price of the future. Whatever it takes. Di ba? Dokti, mahirap. Yeah, it's hard. Sabi nga ni Jack Ma, today is hard. Tomorrow is harder. But tomorrow will give you a lot of fortune, will give you a lot of wealth. Di ba? Sabi ko nga sa mga sa seminar ko po, kasi minsan ang bottleneck nando sa thesis eh. Kaya yung mga nag-MA, hindi natatapos-tapos o nag-PhD. Sabi ko sa kanila, thesis is really hard. Alright? So, hindi ko sinasabi doon sa mga advise sa akin, because I'm a research advisor, doon sa mga nagpapa-advise sa akin na, Doktor, yung hirap. Kasi sinasabi sa kanila, it's hard. It's really hard. Hindi ko sinasabing madali. It's hard. But, it's possible. Alright? So, yung gagawin mo, yung mga dapat mong tapusin, mahirap lahat yan. Diba? Let me share one experience. In my dissertation, I stopped for 10 years. Kasi ang hirap niya eh. Naunahan ako nung natatakot ako, nahirapan ako. So, I stopped in my PhD for 10 years. 10 years ako nagpa-imagine that. Sayang ang 10 taon na sana natapos ko agad ang PhD. Okay? And when I went back, it's really hard. Harder than what I think. Because title pa lang, I had my defense for 3 times. It was shoot down, it was turned down, it was revised. Lahat nagawa na massacre. Hindi naman. Lahat ginawa sa title ko. And when I did the actual thesis, mahirap talaga. So, I had my team, nagsama tayo ng biologists, ng mga IP and everything. So, mahirap. For 1 year, I finished my dissertation na sobrang hirap. But it was possible. I did it. Okay? So, you have to finish what you have to finish in order to be promoted. Alright, so, last, okay, na pwede mo pang gawin, don't hesitate to accept hard assignment. Yung mahihirap na bagay, di ba yan ang minsan iniiwasan ng lahat ng empleyado eh, di ba? Halimbawa, meron kayong event, tasking. Sa amin kasi marami kaming mga tasking na ganyan. So, marami umiiwas doon sa alam na area na mahirap. Yung area na mahirap, yung assignment na mahirap, maraming ayaw. Pero if I were you at age 30, okay, at age 30, accept hard assignment. Accept that hard assignment. Because that will, who knows, okay, that will determine or that will open another opportunity for you. Hindi natin alam, nagdi-disguise lang pala yan sa isang mahirap pero napakaganda ng opportunity. Let me share once more, how did I become a speaker? Because I accepted hard assignment. How did I write my first book? I accepted hard assignment. I became a speaker because nung meron kami seminar sa school for first year high school, first year college. So, 2 batches yon. Meron kami speaker. Natapos niya yung first batch. Second batch, he has to go home kasi may emergency. So, walang mag-speak. So, the president called me, sabi niya, G, ikaw mag-seminar sa taas. Wala akong preparation and I have all the reason to say no to my boss because I don't have any preparation to speak before the crowd of almost 100 people. How will I do that? Diba? That's very hard. But I accepted it. Then afterwards, for 40 minutes, I enjoyed it. Everybody, tingin ko, masaya na may audience ko and I deliver what is expected from a speaker. So, nung gabi, nag-pray ako, sabi ko, Lord, I want to be a speaker. Then I went to our pastor. So, sabi ko, Pastor, pag-pray mo kung gusto ko mag-speak sa mga churches. And I went back to our president, sabi ko, gusto ko maging speaker, ma'am. Then let's start. The rest is history. I started sa mga churches, then I started sa school, sa companies, and even to, malayo na narating natin. Nagbagyo na tayo, nag-Nevesia na tayo, nag-Holy Angel na tayo, and other universities. Bulacan State University. So, that means, what I'm trying to say is, you just get that hard assignment. Baka magbibigay siya sa'yo ng big opportunity. My first book, when we had our career mapping 2 years ago, so meron din kami speaker, kaya lang biglang nilagnat. So, nandun na eto na, kinabukasan na, pupunta na ako ng Baguio, walang magto-talk no how to embrace transformation. So, again, I was assigned by our president. I accepted it. It's hard because I have only few hours to prepare. And I will be speaking to graduating students more than 200. It's hard preparation, but I accepted it. Then after I delivered the topic, so sabi ko, ang ganda ng topic, how to embrace transformation. So what I did is, pagbalik namin after Baguio, so I wake up every day 4 a.m. to write 2 to 3 pages. So eto na po siya. After 5 weeks, I was able to write it. Had I rejected the assignment, wala sigurong speaker ngayon, wala siguro akong book. And I will not even be a vlogger kung hindi ako naging speaker. Because from speaker, doon ako naging vlogger. I don't think tatalon ako from principal to vlogger. I think that's the procedure from the speaker then to vlogger. Alright? So, accept hard assignment. That's my own story. You'll someday, when you accepted hard assignment from your boss in your company, you will have another story. Ikaw na isang araw magsasalita, sabihin mo, I accepted one assignment, that's why I became rich. That's why I became successful. Alright? So, these are your options. Your best career strategy for age 30. Age 30 ka ba? You can choose this. Okay? Choose any of these. Okay? To become more successful. Alright, so please share this video sa mga kaibigan mo na age 30, family member, friends, and relatives para sama-sama po tayo ma-challenge and to change our lives. Alright, so thank you very much, Gilivers. Enjoy the rest of the day and let's go, let's go!